Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we've got a small but very important update on the certificates. So if you didn't know this, for courses, we have certificates so you can, award people things based on their achievements, which is awesome. And then today we are also adding being able to allow editing of the days for expiry reminders. So obviously there are certificates I could earn that really say, hey, look, you have this sort of forever certificate, but sometimes we also want certificates where it expires after a certain time because we want people to recertify and make sure they're continuing to keep up their levels of education or add to them. And so now what you can do is you can go in and set your own preferred intervals for the reminder emails that go out letting people know that these certificates are going to expire. This is a very important feature, obviously, because if I know my certificate expiration is coming up, I know I need to go in there and recertify. So we've got great email reminders for this. Now you can go in and actually edit all of that stuff, which is awesome. And this will give you a lot greater flexibility and control over those reminder periods. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.